Garcia, he's not going to hang on to that, surely. No, he doesn't. Garcia tried his best to hang on to that. It's going around turn 14. And unfortunately, Garcia wisely letting go of that. So the current leader in the session, second in the championship, also joins the list of crashers. Just saw the rear come round on him, and despite his best attempts, there was absolutely no way of saving that.
Foggia's gone! Binder has clattered into Dennis Foggia, and that's it! Game over for the World Championship. He did leave the door open, and that was a block pass, and unfortunately, just further behind. Oh, that is such a cruel way for your championship to go. Hey, this is Darren Binder going through. Oh, blimey.
Que no veas que tú lo haces, porque pase lo que pase, tienes que tener la moto preparada.
No, los nombres que he dicho son los que tengo aquí en la pantalla. Y ahí encima luego ha habido el incendio de la moto. Sí, todos los que se han caído, no han podido. Y ahí no aparece el nombre de Pedro, pero sí que aparece en nuestra pantalla.
Flying motorcycle just missed Iagura there by a whisker. Tandem high sides there. Look at Aaron Canet, he had to jump off that. That was... That's Marco Beck's second. The yellow flags are out. He's travelled a long, long way there.
I think he's all right.
The rain is getting worse and worse by the second here.
Its rear came round, wasn't it?
Yeah, and he's gone well past the point of no return here. Over the handlebars he goes then. A bit of a thud on that right shoulder.
Oh, Bobier! Goodness me, that is as close it gets. Look at him shake his head. Oh my gosh. Deary me. Change of length for Bobier, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, this is the moment for Bobier through turn 2. Look at that. Wow.
Gosh, I don't think Bobier's got a flat track background, but he might as well have with that. Gosh. Fair enough.
Wait, there you go.
Oh, there you go. And that's Marc Marquez launched over the high side, just as Lewis was talking about the importance of rear tyre temperature. And unfortunately for Marc Marquez, he gets fired over the handlebars, starting the climb up through turn number 8. And just nothing he could do about that at all. That rear just skidding out from underneath. The visor comes loose. It looks like he's going to be okay. Yeah, first gear, he just started to tap the power back in handy there, Marc Marquez. This is looking towards him. And there he goes. Malberto Puig, HRC team manager, has his head in his hands. It's so easy to get caught out in these tricky conditions. The best possible news for HRC is it looks like Marquez has walked away from that one unscathed. Looking at him into turn 3, gave that shoulder a right old pommeling there, didn't he, Pecco Bagnaia? That just let go. You could just hear him start to sort of feed very tentatively and gently the power back in. And look at that, he caught that wet patch. You can see the spray kicked up there on the slick tyre, zero grip whatsoever. It kind of had that inevitable outcome. As soon as you saw that rear tyre clip that wet patch, Simon, you just thought, oh no. Spargaro's gone down, and that's a big one, and that's going to bring out the yellow flags. Could this be a crash for a Repsol Honda, denying Marc Marquez, a Repsol Honda man, pole position here in Portimao? Can you believe it then? Marc Marquez, his heart will now sink if he's seen it. Of course, he's leaning over to the right-hand side. Will he have seen Paz Spargaro and the yellow flags? Because Marc Marquez comes over the line now. Quattararo was briefly on pole. A 1:42.295 puts Marc Marquez on pole position. But surely that lap's going for the yellow flag. looks like it's a crash from a Repsol Honda rider, which will cost Marc Marquez pole position. He's been pushed now back down to 9th, which is where he started the Grand Prix in Austin. Oh! That's great to see, of course. These two do have a bit of a checkered history last year.
Wow, wow, ouchie. Full Nagashima look, and he's bailed off because he knew where that was going.
Goodness me.
Gosh. Well, Tetsuya Nagashima, he used to be on that bike, mind. He's looking at it saying, hey, he surfed it like me back in Austria. Thankfully, all okay for Young Acosta.